Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Fiat 500 clutch. First, gather all necessary tools and parts, including a new clutch kit, flywheel bolts, and transmission fluid. You'll need a transmission jack and a clutch alignment tool. Safely lift your Fiat 500 and secure it on jack stands, ensuring a stable and safe working environment. Disconnect the battery and remove the battery tray to access the top of the transmission. Next, you'll need to remove the front bumper, both front wheels, and the wheel arch liners to gain access to the subframe. Drain the transmission oil and then carefully remove both drive shafts from the differential. Disconnect the clutch slave cylinder, gear selector rods, and any wiring harnesses attached to the transmission. Crucially, support both the engine and the transmission with jacks before removing the bell housing bolts that secure the transmission to the engine. Now, thoroughly clean the bell housing and inspect the flywheel for any signs of wear or contamination. Install the new clutch disc and pressure plate onto the flywheel, making sure to use a clutch alignment tool to center the disc perfectly. Tighten the bolts to the recommended torque specifications, typically around 14 Newton meters. Clip the new release bearing onto the clutch fork and test its movement to confirm it operates smoothly before proceeding. With the new clutch in place, carefully align the transmission with the engine and refit all retaining bolts, ensuring they are tightened to their specified torque. Reinstall the drive shafts, lower suspension components, and the gear linkage. Then, secure the subframe, cross-member, and finally, the front bumper and wheel arch liners. Don't forget to refill the transmission with fresh oil to the correct level. Perform a thorough check of all connections and ensure everything is properly secured. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.